Hello? Sounds like fun. Y'all hear me? Alright, there we go. Fuck, that was annoying. Let me send this out, chat. Un momento. What are you guys up to? What are you guys up to? Hello? Hello, hello. Alright, there we go. Turn it up a bit. You guys should hear me. Let me send this in. We live. Alright. There we go, chat. How's everyone doing? How's everyone's weekend? Woke up and was looking at NASDAQ, guys. Let's go over it. Kind of missed this initial push that I did want to get in on. I was creating this new, being completely honest, this new thumbnail, but nonetheless, there's some good things that happen in here. There's a lot of people in my mentorship Discord that were talking about it that made me kind of go alert it. Lewis, are you here? I wonder if Lewis is here. We got 3 minutes until the hourly candle as well, guys. So let's see. Un momento. Cam, what's good? Yeah, there we go. Lewis is here. Lewis, your longs were good, bro. I would have been on the longs too. I don't know. Actually, here, I'm gonna go over it all. Actually, here, let me go into the Discord too. But we friends though. Big black man can't fit inside a Lambo. Oh, damn, I got messages. Bro. Should be live. Boom. All right, so we're live in there too. If any membership people want to go join that. NAS and US30 will hit all-time highs. Really? What makes you say that? Is it a president shoot or what? Damn. All right. Well, let's go over NASDAQ, guys. I'm actually kind of gonna be honest. I'm a little salty. I missed that. Oh shit. All right. Yeah. All right. So when it came to NASDAQ, guys, why I think this push was very, very, very valid is if we start out like the 4-hour time frame. What do we see? We see prices clearly in a bullish market, and we're pulling back to this 4-hour level of demand. What happened? We tapped into it. Literally huge rejection. This first one and the second 4-hour candle coming in and tapping into it while also taking out the lows. Going to the hourly, same type of thing where you can clearly see a level of demand sitting here. Price create a double bottom, rejecting here heavy. So at least in my opinion, like the lower time frames that I went, once again, this whole zone is the 4-hour demand. The lower time frames I went, I kept seeing it, you know, I kind of call it like a slingshot when price is like pulling back and it wants to like bust up, you know what I'm saying? So If I get rid of this 4-hour demand, the other thing I saw was right here. Clear liquidity sweep out of here to then a bullish break of structure. And I wanted to get at this trend line break right here. But I literally was trying to figure out, I was trying to go live on YouTube, guys, the last like 15 minutes. And it wasn't working. But it's looking good. And at least in my opinion, we still have a fair value gap sitting right here below here. We can kind of fib this up, see what kind of happens. But I don't know. I see this demand right here. Fib it up, low to the high. And there we go. What we got here? What up, what up? All right, so yeah, there's my thing. On live for that. So at this point, you could see we clearly liquidated the lows, got kind of a break of structure in this area. I'd like to see us come and fill this fair value gap within my fib level, but it obviously doesn't have to do that. But ideally, like, you know, we got the break of structure, pull back in, maybe get in some early sells again to then distribute back up. The 4-hour and the 1-hour is really what I'm playing this off of, guys. So I might not even be able to wait all the way for that 5-minute fair value gap. I might just completely just leave without it. We do have that new hourly opening right. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see how much this hourly candle creates a bottom wick. But in my opinion, guys, like, look at how this last hourly closed. And if we break the hourly highs, I don't really see why we would pull back like further. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of what I'm thinking on NASDAQ, in my opinion. What do you guys think? What do y'all think, chat? I'm running in, but can't find a way out. Who participated in this? Lewis, if you're here, bro, if you want to unmute or anything. What was your first position? I know that you took longs early. Did you re-get in or anything, or did you just take it and I'm just curious.
I took it right there at pretty much the 11 o'clock open, and it just shot down and took me out right there.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tough, too, because it like took out these lows. How do you go long? Or were you already in up here?
No, I got it pretty much right there on the
like, is it swept right here?
Yeah, pretty much right there. That's like a 5-minute fair value gap.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Right there.
And then just went long.
30 points stop loss.
Yeah, I would say that, like, the only thing I would have waited for is just, like, you know, it clearly has the New York session range right here, and, you know, would have just waited for the lows to get manipulated before going long.
Yeah.
But we think you're the best. Thank you, Zenas. I appreciate it. What up, Haniel? How you doing? What y'all up to? You taking other trades? You killed Jared last night, bro. Hell yeah. We'll go over that too. We will for sure go over that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, bro. It's like, I feel I don't know. I feel like that's our new little baby. You've been treating us good.
I think like her and like EMMITT kind of like move similar.
I agree. And you've just been doing futures, right?
Yeah.
So, and what's
up? What's up?
Yeah, what are you gonna say?
I was gonna say I do Jer on a live account.
Jer on a live account with who?
Liquid Chart, the one that used to be Sway.
Yeah, nice. Oh yeah, there's futures in that.
Yeah.
Wait, because you can't find futures in this, or what?
I think only Apex has
Oh really?
Yeah, because I have Apex and TOPSTEP, but I don't think TOPSTEP does their 30. Not that I maybe I gotta look a little deeper.
Yeah. Hey, what's good? AE? I don't know how to say your name. AEE. What's good? What's good? 41 to chat. Hey, Luca, what's up? Red Dog Guitars. What strategy is this? The no limit sauce, unfortunately. Yeah, your boy got funded. Yay, W's in the chat for Hanyeo, guys. Funded finally. W's in the chat. Let's spam some W's. www. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, hell yeah. You guys are the best, though. Appreciate everyone who did come through. So this is what I'm currently waiting for on NASDAQ, but I want to go over the trade I took on Jer last night, guys. It's kind of like one of the reasons I didn't go on stream. I literally got into it before I was going to go on stream, made money, and I was like, bro, it's President's Day. I'm just taking that off, unfortunately. But I love y'all, and I'm back. I'll be back on tonight as well, so I'll see you guys there. But this was it, guys. It was such a beautiful freaking trade. Luca taught me everything I know. I'm forever grateful. Hell yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. So let's go over to it. Let's go into bullish structure. You see that we were clearly bullish heading into the day. And if you guys have been watching me trade Jer lately, it's really just been waiting for liquidity sweeps and then volume pushing back in my direction I want. So if you guys are me, let me replay price. And you guys saw in going into the night, and you guys are all zooming like this. Are we bullish or bearish? Are we bullish or bearish? Come on, chat. Yeah, you caught the DAX sells. That's fire. Those things played out hella well. Bullish, it was liquidation. Exactly. Perfect. Red Dog Guitars nailed it. So as I was looking at the charts, guys, saw we were clearly in bullish structure. All we were doing was picking higher highs and higher lows, continuing up. And then what? We came here and we clearly had these lows to take out that caused this rally. And this rally didn't even break above this high. So in my opinion, once again, boom, rally up, kind of a downtrend down to then what? Liquidate the lows, tap in down here. And then guess what? Not only did I didn't get in just at like the sweep, it made a W, guys. I always talk about these W's. When price kind of comes down and leads to a sweep, breaks, and then holds that next low, you got to think, like, if it's going to hold this low, think of it as a support where it's like, if you get in here, it's like, where do you think it's going to go? If it's like rejecting, it has nowhere to go but fucking up. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I always look for those M's and W's. But basically, guys, just bullish structure, lows to take out, which was also the Asia lows. Took out the Asia lows, rejected, formed a W. I got in at the break of the 5-minute high right there. And then literally, guys, within 1, 2, 3, literally, I closed like right on here. Right when we came and took out the Asia highs, guys, I closed the majority of my position, put stops to break even. And I was so happy I did too. And you want to know why? This goes back into, guys, when you guys have a trading plan or you guys have a trade idea, which for me was bullish structure, taking out the Asia lows, W, then distribute back up. My whole thing was like, look at this position, guys. I caught like a nice 1 to 4, 1 to 5 to highs. Who do I look like being greedy, trying to just hold for it to just keep going? You know what I'm saying? My idea was take out the Asia lows, and those who have watched my videos on that strategy and stuff knows that you finally, you know, you find the distribution against trend under the lows, and then you get the distribution and you aim for the opposing session highs or lows, depending on if you're buying or selling. But for me, it was, you know, well executed. It happened quick, so you know, it was kind of just like nice, and then it dumped back down after. So, you know, if I were you guys, let's say I was on stream last night, I called this out to you guys. I know for a fact there's a lot of you guys who hold on to your positions too long. This is an example of when you have a trading plan, guys, or a trade idea, stick to it. Because if you wouldn't have, you would have got all the way back down and gotten hit out or stop loss, whatever it may have been. But that was that on Jer. Is there any questions about it, guys? You guys can definitely ask me questions. Anything. Is this current price? Yeah, this is current price NAS. It's slow right now, but I'm jumping in, but don't find a way up. How many of you guys are here? Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Are you done with the evals, coach? No, bro. I'm doing it here live with you guys. I haven't even touched it since I was last with you guys. All we've taken is wins on it though. Felt kind of nice. Lovely trade. I did enter sells right after though. You buy, sell. You buy, I sell. All right, guys. So similar to Jer, guys. So everyone think about what I just taught you about, like Jer, and now it's going to here. You can see here, bullish trend. I mean, I kind of went over it on NASDAQ already. But if we go to NASDAQ's 4-hour, guys, NASDAQ is pulling back and tapping into this 4-hour demand, which is the whole reason I'm looking for those reactions in this area. It also liquidated the hourly low. So with that in mind, go to the hourly. Hourly still showing you that it's rejecting. New hourly candle open up, created the bottom wick. I think we just maybe need to come down a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? If we can come in a discount of the hourly, beautiful. But as of now, we're just kind of waiting. Like, it wouldn't be that bad to get in at the hourly flip if we broke highs, but then I just wouldn't be like, the whole reason is this, guys. Like, if it flipped and like flies, you could get into here, but if you don't have your stops below discount, it could easily come and hit in here and then continue back up, which that sucks. That's always like, that's like the worst feeling. So, try to see if we get some volume. What do you guys think? 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 I'm thumping in, but can't find a way. I'm rocking with you. Hell yeah. What about gold, guys? Actually, I don't really trade gold on this time, anyways. Oh, gold. Oh my god. You just buy during Asia session yesterday. You're up a baggy. Oh, that's crazy. Go over to this NASDAQ. What about US 30? Oh, US 30 is doing a similar thing though, guys. Beautiful buys over here. Sweeping lows. Have this nice trend line. Anyone trades US 30, I'm looking for a similar thing. Took out lows, liquidation, gone. Cam said only 15 likes and 57 people here, guys. Everyone match the likes up, guys. Hit that like button. It's the first stream back of the week.
I sent the position I took, Luca.
Where at?
The Discord traded you.
Right in there. Yeah, like had lows to take out and shit too. Yeah, I guess like the only thing would have been.
Yeah, because I was expecting the hourly to come down.
Yep.
So
You pointed out you pointed out that 4-hour. You were like, oh, check the 4-hour. I checked the 4-hour. I saw we were in the 4-hour demand. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, it was just dancing around there for like the longest. I was like, okay, I'm just wait for the hourly, but the volume that just came at that time is
Well,
took me right out. You know?
the thing you should think about is, all right, if it's dancing around this area, what is dancing around? What in a trading technical word, what's the equivalent to like dancing around?
Yeah, just the consolidating.
Yeah, exactly. Perfect. Consolidating. So after consolidation, what usually happens? Or like, think of accumulation. So think of it like accumulation. Like, it was accumulating around this area, it manipulated and then distributed. You know, classic AMD.
Yeah, because I was playing more off of the liquidity sweep, more at like I guess off of like 7:30.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
I was thinking that was a sweep, you know, so I was just waiting to get back into overall discount. Break that with a trend line.
Yeah, I feel you. It was a good idea though, you know. Way to be active trading there. Smash the like button and gets more views. Yeah, guys, if you guys like hit the like button, it just shows that you guys like it, and I'm pretty sure it just like sends it out to more people. Algos, algorithms. How y'all doing though, chat? How's you guys' week so far? Did you guys trade President's Day? And if you did, get on my chat. No, I'm kidding. There were some good moves. It wasn't that bad, but you know, my thing is this, guys. it creates bad habits. So you guys might go like, so like in theory, let's say like let's just go look right now on NASDAQ. Let's go look at NASDAQ yesterday during New York session. So you could see, you know, when New York opened, there were some nice sells. Looks like, right? You're like, oh, Luca, what do you mean? Like, look at these beautiful sells for President's Day. My thing is this, guys. Yes, if you go back on this one time, which was yesterday, go back on this one time when there was a holiday, there was a nice little breakout for some sells, right? Well, I think you create kind of bad habits doing that because, first off, notoriously, if you go back and you backtest all the days that you know, there's a holiday, it's not going to move a lot. But if you go in and you try trade days, if you end up winning that trade, which is good, you might think like, oh, I won the trade, like that's good. It's actually teaching you bad habits because it's basically telling you that if you don't follow your rules, you're still getting rewarded because you won that trade. So for me, I don't trade holidays. Like even if a setup looks pretty good, it's just like, you know, and this is the reason is that if I go and let's say I do trade the holiday, I am not someone who like a self-sabotager where how do I put it? Like you sound like an idiot if you tell yourself like, oh, should I kind of lose during news days? Like I shouldn't trade news or holiday. Then you go trade a holiday and you take a loss and you're like, oh shit, like it's because I traded on a holiday. You know what I'm saying? It's like self-sabotage. It's like you get yourself out by just being able to say that when you shouldn't have traded it in the first place, truthfully. You know? So some of y'all need to just go touch grass. Like I always say that, but it's just like, you know, you guys be too much on Trading View looking at the 1 minute. You guys, you know, while you're driving to work, you guys be fucking. It's just crazy, you know. I promise you guys can, you know, do better, do better. And then chat, you guys want to leave a? Be nice if some of you guys want to go leave a comment on this. Reel I put out. I put a reel from one of the JAR 30 trades the other night. Guys, I'd be doing this daily on JAR. If you guys do not be on the live streams, this is literally all we do. Come on. Like absolute freaking just. You guys know when you just like. You know what I'm saying? I love that shit. So funny. Oh, I didn't even send it. It's so funny. No, I posted this reel, guys. Little just trade breakdown of this. I see you trade London session an hour before it opens. How do you know when to trade pre-market or open? So an hour before is actually the Frankfurt Open, and I trade JAR 30, which is a German index. So that's why. Is that it is a German index, and if Germany Frankfurt is going to be opening, you're going to get good volume around that time. I'm robbing in, but can't find a way out. But that account was the best thing that ever happened to me. It taught me one hard truth. The market wasn't the enemy, I was. I was chasing setups with no plan, risking stupid amounts of revenge trading. Bro, that's a really good... Yo, you should tweet that. You should go tweet that and go viral. Happens to all of us. You know, you're not alone. Completely know where you're coming from. You know, I'm glad that you look at it as like as a lesson more than a loss, because you basically identified all the things you're doing wrong. So now it's, you know, like I said, don't self-sabotage yourself. If you know that you're doing things wrong, don't go and do the same shit over again. So it's better to trade at 2 a.m. rather than 3 a.m. only for like JAR 30. So like I trade JAR 30 at that 11 p.m. open, and then guess what? I sit there for an hour, and then once the 12 p.m. London hits, I'm trading GJ and gold. So literally like kind of how I do it. So I've been doing it. It's been working. So guys, if you guys look at my screen right now here on NASDAQ, let me guys still here. If you guys look at my screen here on NASDAQ, you see how this position up above these highs, but you might be thinking like, Luca, we haven't pulled into the discount yet. So I know that. The thing why I'm thinking about maybe taking above this high is if you go to the hourly, if we break these hourly highs, I'm thinking we're gonna go bullish. But on top of that, we go to the 5 minute. Shit, looks like we're about to go right now. The real fib that I'm looking at right here, guys, is right in here. We have this low that caused this new break right here, and we definitely did come into discount there. So I'm looking at a potential little, what is that, 20 points. You know, these longs guys are about to go break. Once this white line gets hit, that is the hourly flip. So for those who are looking for a position, looks good. I'm in, I don't find a way out. Are you in the trail already? No, I unfortunately did not. But it looks pretty clean. My thing is this, guys. So for those who are not aware, I'm here passing a futures challenge here live with you guys on stream. I have yet to take a loss. I've only taken wins. And with that being said, is because I'm being patient and I know. So for those who don't know about futures, oh damn it, I really just show you guys like my account. Actually, it's, I mean, I don't know about how that works. And people are like, oh, you showed your account number or whatever. I don't know what that means. Like, can you guys go log into my account then? I don't get it. But you guys can see here, I'm taking this challenge with all of you guys. We are up. We've only taken wins. I mean, one of them was a break even, but I consider break evens wins in my book. But I'm being a little patient. You know what I'm saying? Futures challenges have a thing called trailing drawdown, where, you know, like on Forex platforms, if your overall drawdown is 10% on a 100K account, well, then if you know, you have all the way till 90K until you blow it. Whereas like if you go up on your challenge on futures, that drawdown comes up with you. So like, for example, you see here, I'm already on these 4 accounts, my drawdown's already a lot more than the next 4 because I haven't started the other 4. And basically why I'm bringing that up is that, you know, I might be a little more, I wouldn't say picky, I guess a little bit picky, but I would say it's more, you know, understanding all this type of stuff. Damn, should I just go long chat? We're not really in discount. My thing, guys, the only reason I'm not really getting into it is this. You guys see this 5 minute supply right in here? Like, we definitely sold off earlier. Lows come back up into here. So, like, my thing is this. What type of pattern do I always look for right here, chat? Someone tell me quick. Quick. What's like a pattern? Because I'm not really a pattern trader, but what's the pattern I usually look for around here? I'm just gonna answer it. W, yeah, W. So W, yes, but also a reverse head and shoulder. So you see here, we kind of have a W kind of forming, but you see here we had this low. We've now liquidated the low, came up, where I'm thinking we might reject here, come back down, form kind of like the right side of the leg, and then continue back up there. And then if you look, that's that reverse head and shoulders pattern that I always look for, right? So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. I do think these longs look good, maybe for, you know, short term, like a nice little move. But I think overall we might get a bigger pullback, which is why I'm a little hesitant on it. Because you got to think, we still have the fair value gap sitting down here. We've had this one little leg. I mean, you know, we could draw kind of a trend line and kind of track it, see what happens. But so I wasn't going to chat. So it's better to trade it. I blew my account today because of the trading view. Damn. Wait on for clarity. Nice. Lexus Luna, what's good? What's good, Ron? What's good, Haniel? Hope you guys are all doing great. I'm running in, but can't find the way. I got a song stuck in my head. What the fuck? Damn, like if this 4 hour goes bullish though, shit. The longs honestly look good, guys. Gotta tap into that supply. We'll see what kind of happens. Hmm. What do y'all think, chat? I'll tap into that supply. We'll see what happens. Here's something square. Oh, we still got people here. We still got Rudy and Lewis. What's good? I get back in here. Still share my screen, right? Cool. I drew a trend line along the last 3 high points. Is that valid? You'd have to show me. I don't really know what you mean with the last 3 high points. Luca, Asian sweep in your YouTube video. No trend line. Did you optimize it? Luca, Asian sweep in your YouTube video. No trend line. You'd have to explain a little bit more. What do you mean, no trend line? Like you enter right after the sweep? I would say, like, if that's what you're asking, you got to collect your own data on it. Because in my opinion, I like when it sweeps and then on the 1 minute forms that little W and taking out the break or something like that. Usually if it can line up with the liquidity grab as well, I mean, you know, doesn't hurt, makes it better, but you know, adjust with time. Yeah, look at that, guys. Nice little rejection up in this area. Looks like we're coming back down. We'll wait and see, guys. At the end of the day, I'd rather be patient. That's still a W to me. If I'm patient and I don't catch a losing trade, guys, is that not a W? I avoided a loss, so that's a win. I'd put it. I'm dragging it in, but I can't find it. All right, guys, it's gonna cook. Let me see. Let me see. Hey, chat. What do you guys think of the thumbnail? You guys think it's weird, or is it chill? I thought it was kind of funny. I wanted to switch it up. Like, do you guys like this one more? It's kind of cool. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Appreciate all y'all here or who are here watching, even though I didn't announce it. Y'all just be showing up. I appreciate it. My God, look at that rejection. Appreciate you being here. Thanks, bro. Doing this pretty dope. Thanks, bro. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. I like it. Like, if you guys were on YouTube and you saw it, would you click on it? Or would you be like, that looks insane. I'm not trading with that guy. He's done cons, guys.
But hell no, I don't know that, dude.
Well, you broke up. Sorry, what, Rudy?
This I would say, Hell no, I don't know. That did I click in the link?
You kind of broke up again, but you're like, nah, I'm clicking that link. That's funny. I don't know if it's me or what. On your teachings of the sweep, you made a video and it shows just wait for a sweep and close back, and you say take it on the break of the candles, lower high. You update or optimize. I would say that that's still valid. I just think that, well, my thing is this. First off, the biggest advice with that video is doing it with trend. Like, let's say we're overall bullish, waiting for the liquidity sweep against that. So like a sell side liquidity sweep, then go long. That's one thing that obviously is super important. But then on top of that, I would say that it's still valid. If you want to take out the first sweep, you can. That's how I used to do it a ton. It's not like I don't do it anymore because I don't believe in it. I just feel like I just look for W's so much. I don't know. I see those W's so much. I just wait for them. That looks good. Kind of like a ChatGPT created it. No, ChatGPT did create it. That's why I was seeing if you guys liked it, because I was like, is that gonna be super lame? Or because I was going to stream and I was like, I kind of want to do like a new thumbnail for the week, just to at least separate like London and the Power Hour ones. So I really went in ChatGPT. I said, create me a NASDAQ live trading whatever. Yeah, trade with only $5,000 budget. One coin is cost. I don't know what you mean. What do you mean one coin? What kind of coins you trading? These look good, chat, but like I said, I'm not really in them right now, so I don't fucking sit here. But yeah, though. Looks like some people are dipping out too, guys. At the end of the day, I came on here. I was gonna look at these NASDAQ longs down in this area. Missed the initial push. I was kind of waiting for the fair value gap to continue back up. Looks like we're in a consolidation now. You know, I'm one of those traders who like it's a little high for me to buy because we're right in the supply, and then we still have a fair value gap down here, and we're not in a discount. So, in my opinion, might just be a no trade day. I think this push is great. If any of you guys are in the push, I'm just not already in it. If I was already in it, I would just be sitting here and I'm already in it, you know, whatever. But I'm not. So I think I'm just gonna let it go and come back tomorrow, guys. At the end of the day, like I said, we're up on the challenge. There's no reason to go, and just like take a trade just to take a trade. I just wanted to come say what's good. Appreciate y'all. Happy Tuesday. Let's have a killer week. You're gonna be here tomorrow, yeah. So I still want to go live for you guys and stuff. Yesterday was just President's Day. And like I said, I'm not going to trade President's Day, so that's the reason I didn't. But who's in this trade? Is anyone in this trade? See you, London. Hell yeah! Be back for London, guys. I hope to see you guys there. You guys are the best. And if you guys need anything, join the Discord, guys. And anything. Can you explain why you have your trend lines crossed through the candles? Where? Oh, like down here. I mean, like I said, I kind of just try to do like the average of where they all are. Like you know, you saw that didn't really do the best. So yeah, on the bottom, yeah, I would say that because like I just kind of did it like that because you see there's like a touch here. I try and do it on the average of like where are the most touches kind of occurring, you know. So you see if I draw like that, there's like one here, another one here. I don't know. But I'm out of here, chat. You guys are the best. Thank you, bro. Yes, sir. I'll see you guys for London. W's in the chat. Peace out, gang. Pitches in the next one. Guys, make sure you guys are part of the Discord and stuff. You guys are not. Click that link in the description. Go to the Discord. You guys are the best. Catch you on the next one. 41's in the chat. Yes, sir. All for one, one for all. You guys are the best. Catch you on the next one. Peace out, chat. Deuces. Bye.